Hello everyone, this is Rick, and we're doing another Mimi Kirk recipe, and showing that we're making it for two. We added cabbage to the recipe. It's got orange and beet and carrot, and those are Granny apples, Granny Smith apples. And I just gotta put that together and get to work on it. We bought a pineapple, and is that what else is that in there? We just went to Kroger.
Red pears. They got another eju or something.
Okay.
Red, and then papaya.
Papaya.
No, mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna get to work on it. This will be our third straight juice. We haven't had any solid food. I had a couple cups of coffee this morning. Other than that, it's all been fresh juice. Thank you for watching.